everyone, today I am going to make a very simple bread snack, and for that I need some potatoes, some carrots, beans and tomatoes. So first of all what I have to do is boil some potatoes. As you can see, 3 potatoes are boiling in hot water, so I shall wait for few minutes for them to be soft. While the potatoes are boiling, I am going to prepare my bread. So I need to cut the side part of the bread this way. I am going to prepare other breads too, similar way. I'm going to roll out the bread in this way and then stuff the filling inside the bread. I'm going to grate the boiled potatoes in this way and then mix those grated potatoes with other filling. Now I'm going to use some spices, some black salt according to your taste, some Chatpati powder, Chatpati Masala, which is as well called mixed spices, and then some chili powder. So I have used some black salt, or you can use normal salt, some mixed spices. In Bangladesh there is a spices called Chatpati Masala. I have used that one, and some red chili flakes. Okay, so this is actually the red chili flakes spices. I'm using coriander and mint paste over here to enhance the taste, as well some ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to mix them all together and inside in the bread filling. Now I'm going to use some water on the bread and some filling. Then just do like this. In a bowl, give some water and some flour to make a smooth paste. Now take one of the bread ball, and use some this water and some breadcrumbs. Fry all the bread balls in a low flame. The finished look of the bread ball and the bread roll.